Here with Greg.
I'm sorry.
What was that?
Watch it back.
What was that? Well, do I need to use this?
Absolutely.
Okay, it's appropriate?
Oh yeah, it's definitely appropriate.
Alright, cool. Well, I'm Aaron. This is Special Ed Greg, apparently.
Special Ed. That's why we have these.
Special Ed Greg. Alright, anyways. We're going on another fall foliage ride. Today's the full tour though. It's November, what is today?
6th?
It's the 8th.
Oh.
November 8th. And the leaves are popping. You can kind of see over there a little bit, probably not, but it's all right. So we're gonna get out to Jasper, get us a little 250-mile ride done today. Find some good food, maybe a little hiking trail, who knows? But we're waiting on Frank, because he's late.
Gotta go to the bank and cash a check.
Yeah, what the heck? It's all right. We'll wait for him. Bro, this is a handicap spot. Bro, get out here. Get out here. What are you doing? He's late and he's parking in the open. Get out here. Let's try again. Who are you?
Frank.
Why has everyone got a shiesty on?
Because it's cold, bro. What do you mean?
It's not even cold.
It's like 40 degrees. It's not that bad.
These boys are crazy.
What's up, man?
Got the little Street 750. All right, well.
I'm gonna pee before we head out.
Okay, Greg's gonna pee and then we're gonna head out. How do you feel so far?
Pretty good.
How many miles you rode?
I think 100.
A hundo. What do you think, Greg?
I had to pee.
Oh shoot. Check this view out though. Bye.
I think I'm gonna get this one.
You gonna get Buffalo River?
That's clean.
What about this one? This one looks more like you.
Absolutely not.
Samstone. We're gonna get a little 5-minute hiking. Then we're gonna get back to ride. Funny.
I feel like we should go get back on the bikes and bring them down here.
That, I don't think we have the right bikes for that.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Not a bad view. Definitely seen worse. I think it's really good. It's 10 out of 10 for
I
Arkansas.
would go 10 out of 10 if I had a burger in my hand. Some Five Guys would slap me. That would
Oh.
be a cheeseburger.
Yum.
Boyga.
What'd you get?
Boyga.
No, what'd you get?
What is it? The Ozark Pounder.
You got chicken strips?
I got a chicken dinner. Chicken.
Got the old chicken fried steak here at the Ozark Cafe. It's a legendary. We had to stop for refueling and White Monsters. And what'd you get?
I got a pink edition.
Greg said he's sending it. I think he's going to get some.
That's long.
Yeah, Greg said that's online. We're here at the Kings River Country Store. It's the last stop for the day. We're gonna go home,
Take a freaking nap.
take a nap.
Oh, go to bed. No, take a nap.
Gotta go make some mac and cheese.
Okay, we finished a ride. Battery died a long time ago, about an hour or so ago, but it's alright. What are your final words today?
Pretty fun.
What you said?
What are your words?
9 hours on a sport bike?
I don't know. Until the next time.